Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your iPhone to the next level, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iPhone and install the Sileo to Package Manager for a whole new world of customization and app options. So, let's dive right in. First things first, jailbreaking your iPhone allows you to gain root access to the device, which unlocks tons of customization options, third-party apps, and tweaks that Apple doesn't let you use. With Sileo 2, you can manage your tweaks and packages easily without affecting the system files. Let's get started with searching Sileo 2 on web browser Safari. Search, install Sileo iOS 18.3 to sileo2.com. Once the page loads, tap the first link. Scroll down the page a bit and find the Install button. Now tap the Install Sileo 2 button. You'll be redirected to page for Download Sileo. Allow the profile download and install it on your iPhone. Sileo 2 is the next-gen package manager, and it's designed to give you a modern, easy-to-use interface for installing and managing tweaks, themes, and apps. It's lightweight, fast, and has a beautiful design. Now, let's check out how to use Sileo 2. From here, you can browse through a wide range of tweaks, themes, and even apps that aren't available on the App Store. For example, I'm going to install a tweak that lets me customize my lock screen and add a cool theme. And that's it. Now you've successfully jailbroken your iPhone and installed Sileo 2. You have access to a world of customizations and tweaks that were once impossible with a stock iPhone. Pretty cool, right? Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with the jailbreak process. Happy customizing, and I'll catch you in the next one.